Hey folks, Dave Castine, Vintage Cars Online. Happy 4th of July. What better way to celebrate the birth of America than to bring you a super cool 1955 Chevy 210. This is an all steel car, restored about 20 years ago. Drivetrain's newer. See the classic Corvette grille, period of the time. Chrome reverse, steel wheels up front, vintage flames. These things are awesome. The metal flake in them. Car also has a Expel PPF on the front. These things are about as aerodynamic as a brick, so they catch some chips sometimes, but this thing's pretty clean due to that film. Under the hood we get a 6-liter, pushing about 450, 460 horsepower, cast iron block, aluminum AFR heads, power steering, all front disc brakes, wipers. Real reliable. Horsepower is real and the torque is real linear. She pulls at all ranges. Car is super straight. Lenny Schaefer did the body work and paint on this. If anybody knows anything about New England street rods and these old hot rods, Lenny's a name you know. Nice little cam in it. Super reliable. You know, fly in, drive this thing home. No AC, no stereo system. I mean, to me the music comes out the exhaust. Super nice stance. I mean, this thing's got a classic, old school 55 Chevy hot rod stance. I'll close the hood so you can get a real good look at it. How bitchin' is this thing? She'll run like this all day at about 190 degrees. Tilt wheel. Real comfortable seats, all new. See that paint. The button on the lighter is for cutouts, electric cutouts, which come with the car but aren't installed. That could be fun. Very responsive. Interior is mint. Super comfortable. Belt front belts. I don't know if there's any in the back. I don't see any. So, look at the people you don't like in the back seat. Super reflective paint. This thing's crazy nice. Look at my website for links to all the photographs that I have underneath the car, and 150 or so in and around the car. But she's ready to go. Give me a call, 617-513-7407. Happy 4th, folks. God bless America.